Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is day 14, and we've got 24 powerful words to dive into. Ready? Let's get started. Make sure you've watched the previous videos to catch up and don't forget to like and subscribe. First word is undertake. It means to take responsibility for something. Next, we have handle. It means to manage or deal with something. Deal means to take action to solve a problem. Undergo means to experience something, often difficult. Tackle means to confront or solve a problem. Address means to deal with or speak about something. Remedy means to fix or correct something. Manipulate means to handle something skillfully. Domesticate means to tame animals for human use. Discrimination means unfair treatment based on differences. Prejudice is a preconceived opinion not based on reason. Bias is a tendency to favor one thing over another unfairly. Partial means not complete, it favors one side. Impartially means in a fair and unbiased way. Objective is based on facts, not influenced by feelings. Neutral means not taking sides. Even means smooth or level. Smooth means having an even surface. Rough means uneven or coarse. Jagged means having sharp, uneven edges. Coarse refers to a rough texture. Edge is the outer limit of something. Trigger means to cause something to happen. Prompt means to cause someone to take action. Which word describes a surface that is free of bumps, smooth, or rough? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing lessons. See you next time.